Happy Memorial Day and solemn Memorial Day, more appropriately. Okay, so today what I'm going to try to fix is I got myself a nice tenderloin here, alright, and I am only going to cut it in half and it'll go into a crock pot, which is right over here. Okay, all of this stuff in the end will go on this long rice, hold on, and it's going to be totally in pineapple and this curry mix. So here's what I got to do. Open up the package, which I'll just do here in the sink. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to rinse it. Come on. Hold on here. Oh, it's 2 halves. Okay, so I don't actually have to do anything. Beautiful, beautiful tenderloin. That's all in here now. Okay. Okay, so this curry stuff just starts off a block like this. I want to break it down as much as possible. Let's tackle this beautiful pineapple, Dole Cannery, right from our islands. Grown on the North Shore. Cooking is all about fresh ingredients. Okay, now I've never done a pineapple before, believe it or not. This thing is cutting really nice. It is not hard to cut. It was 90 cents a pound. Oh, I gotta save this stuff to chew on. That's juicy. God, that's good. Oh, this is gonna be great. Hard. Okay. Shading the pineapple. Okay, this is nothing here. Taking off bark, whatever you call it. Gonna lose meat. I'll just put it wayside right now. That's pretty nice. Okay. And nice plain next to the butter. Look at it. Season. Oh, that's good. Oh, that smells good. I gotta say, pineapples do smell good. I'm not sure. Take it off. Okay, here, some more hard stuff. I'll cut myself. Okay, good one. Oh man, this is great. Okay, I think it's clear. This look. Cut it. Start cutting it. Chunks like this. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Okay. Now's the final cuts. I don't really know what I'm doing. Just doing what I can. Okay, there's the first pile we go. Again. Ooh, it looks cool. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, let's cut it. Oh, there's juice too. God, these things are amazingly juicy. Okay, here's part 2. Oh, this will be all pineapple and ham. Pineapple and ham, we all know how it goes together. That was my thing. That was it. Man, that's the ticket. Okay, it is getting full. I want to pull out a piece so you can see the nice. Here you can see the wonderful pork. It's totally bathed in pineapples. This is going to be so nice. Alright, I'll take a picture of this and then we'll mix in the curry and we'll get it into this long crock pot. Okay, now we have the curry ready. Here's the curry. It's boiling away. And I'm going to pour that on top. And this whole thing needs a little more water. Mix that. Okay, hold on. We're not there yet. I don't want to put too much water. This is the big question I have. When is it too much? Because it's not going to... Well, I mean, how much can I have it reduce, really? Okay, there. That's it. I can see the water line. Okay. And all these pineapples and everything's going to get nice and soft. Okay. Hold on now. Alright. Hey, here it is. In the pot. Oh. You know, it's all pineapple and curry with pork. And we're going to set it to 6 hours high. And we'll come back and check this. Lid down. Oh boy. This could be a serious winner. We'll wait and see. Okay. This has been stewing away. And in the meantime, I had also added the rice. Just threw it in. It smells nice. It took up a lot of water. This is a stew. It's just a good old-fashioned stew. Let's give it a little try. Okay. I just want to try a little bit of it. All right.